Looks like Raleigh just issued a warning.
Let's go ahead and switch over to the velocity product, and actually let's switch over to Raleigh. Probably get a better view of that, but that's going to be near MACCLESFIELD and PINETOPS. So go ahead, move to your tornado shelter now, interior room, away from windows, lowest floor of your home. And this one actually looks a little bit more classic as far as the structure of it is concerned. Let's go over to the velocity product and switch.
Something happened down there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so PINETOPS, crisp, MACCLESFIELD, be in a safe place now. And again, this is moving off towards the north and west at about
Let me go to Rocky Mountain. That might be a good source for this.
This warning's going to go until 8:45 tonight. So for EDGECOMBE County and extreme northern portions of Wilson County, I don't believe it includes the city of Wilson, but actually what you're seeing there, you're seeing two areas of rotation. One that's just to the north and to the west of MACCLESFIELD, and also seeing a bigger, broader area of some rotation near the Crisp area, and that's also going to be moving up towards the northwest. So this is a broad area of rotation out and through here, and then a little bit tighter as you head back to the north and west of MACCLESFIELD. So go ahead and be in that safe place from PINETOPS to MACCLESFIELD, back to the west, and eventually this will be moving over towards south of the SHARPSBURG, it looks like, moving over towards just to the north of Wilson.
Looks like New York City is under
Possibly Elm City will be involved in this, and David is putting on the storm track on this. It looks like there's crossroads at the 812, so right now go ahead and be in that safe place. As that storm is pushing up towards the north and towards the west, it's going to be a close shave for SHARPSBURG. It's going to be a close shave.
And the same from Newport. This is from
So go
Raleigh.
ahead and be in your tornado shelter now. Interior room away from windows, most floor around. It definitely looks like on the latest scan that is going to be the one that is going to be the problem child as far as this tornado warning is concerned. So the one that is to the north and west of MACCLESFIELD. So MACCLESFIELD, give it another 5 minutes and out of the air as that